1. Parts and tools required. Your Kwikot heat pump comes in a box that also includes a manual for domestic installation, explaining the error codes and providing manual instructions for installation. Also included is the heat pump kit, which consists of the following parts. These 3 plugs, which are fitted to the condensation outlet points underneath the heat pump for draining purposes, and you can fit a conduit pipe to these if your heat pump is to be installed in a high position. The heat pump kit also includes a load control valve, a double drain cock, 2 lever ball valves, both 22mm in diameter, and a 22mm Y strainer. Then we also have 2 glands for fitting the electrical cable and microsensor that will connect the heat pump to the water heater. We also have 4 rubber feet to fit below the heat pump, along with bolts for the brackets that you will use if you would prefer to install your heat pump on a wall. And here are the wall brackets, which also come supplied. You'll also need the following other parts and tools for the installation. Some Conex males for fitting both the heat pump and the water heater, and also for your ball valves and strainers. Then you'll need a wrench and socket set for fitting the brackets, and a hacksaw blade to scratch the fittings. Next we have a pair of water pump pliers that we will need to tighten the fittings, and some cable ties that will be used to secure the cable onto the pipe. Some measuring tape just to measure the lengths of the pipes that you will need to cut, and then we have some PTFE tape for sealing the pipe threads. Alternatively, you can also use hemp for this instead of PTFE tape. Then we will also need a pipe cutter to cut the copper piping, and some 2.5mm electrical cable, which will be needed to supply power to the heat pump. And lastly, we will also need a star screwdriver and a wire snipper.